Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to make a quick and easy penne pasta recipe for you. So let's go into the kitchen and let's make it. So this is some whole wheat penne pasta that I'm using. I am using 250 grams, which is half of the bag. Into some hot water, add some salt, then add your pasta. And you want to cook this pasta 1 minute more than the package direction for a little smoother texture. Remember to test the pasta to see the texture that you need. These are some of the ingredients that I'm going to be using, and I will be listing them in the description box below. Now, you do not have to use these same ingredients. You can just add your own type of herb, your ingredients, what you want to give your pot or your pasta the flavor that you think you're looking for. I'm just using what I have on hand, and yeah. So the pasta is finished boiling. It's al dente, soft yet firm, and over medium heat. I add a pan, then I'm going to add some olive oil. It's being said that you should not put olive oil over the heat, but we do. So once it's hot, I'm going to go ahead and add the garlic and the onion. Now you can also use any type of onions of your choice. That's it. Just remember to use whatever ingredients you want. You want to fry this up until it starts to soften up. I'm also using some mushrooms. I had a lot of mushrooms, so I did cut them and freeze them. I'm putting them to the side of the pan just so I can get most of the moisture drawn out from it like this. So while the moisture is drying out from the mushroom, it is also cooking. It's not going to be fully soft in this process that I'm doing right now, but as I keep cooking, it is going to soften up. Once it starts to soften up, I'm going to go ahead and mix them together, toss them around. And you want to do all of this over medium heat. Let this cook again for another minute. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some sun-dried tomatoes along with some green bell peppers. Toss it around and let it cook again for another minute or two. I also had some bell peppers, some red bell peppers. Once I buy them at a cheap cost, guys, I wash them, I cut them, and I freeze them. So that's what I'm using, the frozen bell pepper. Put them into there, along with some fresh basil. For me, when I'm cooking basil, when I'm cooking pasta, I like fresh basil. Any other herb, I use dry herbs in pasta. And I use the dry herbs because it takes a longer time to release, so it's better to add during the cooking process. Now I'm going to be using some tomato sauce. You can use any brand of your choice. Add it in there. And of course, I did add some water into the pan because it was thick. Stir it around, and once it starts to come to a boil, I'm going to go ahead and start seasoning with the dry herb, which is oregano, basil, and tomato. Of course, some smoked paprika. And I love to use Vegeta. It's in the form of cube. It flavors your pot. Mix it in and let it come to a boil. Now it's time to add the pasta. And there you go, guys. Just mix it thoroughly, making sure that that juice gets right up into the pasta. As you can see that juice is getting all over that pasta. Now I'm going to add some Italian mixed spaghetti spices. This is a combination of all the herbs right here. Mix it in, and that's it, guys. It's easy and quick to put together. It is delicious. It's a satisfying meal. You can top it with some Parmesan cheese, and there you have it. So don't you forget to go make it, like, subscribe, share my video, and leave me a lovely comment. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Enjoy!